Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Aneja and this is a brand new episode of Technical Gupshup, a show where we'll discuss the technical market outlook, key levels to watch out for, and 5 technical stock ideas that you can bet on at this point in time. Well, Indian equity markets opened flat on Thursday amid mixed global cues and solid domestic growth data. India's GDP grew at 6.1% in the last quarter of the previous fiscal year, and some economists also pointed out that the pickup in private investment activity, and which is a big positive sign. The US House of Representatives has passed the US debt ceiling bill, and FIIs have been net buyers in Indian markets in 24 of the last 25 sessions. So where are the markets headed in the near term? What do the technical charts suggest? And where are the pockets of strength? To discuss this and much more, let's welcome our guest on the show today. We have with us Vishali Parekh, who is Vice President of Technical Research at Prabhudas Leeladhar. Thank you so much, Vishali, for taking the time out and being with us here on Business Today Television. And I want to begin by asking you about the technical market outlook only. I think we are not very far away from all-time high levels, but if you see the market at this point in time, it's in a consolidation mode right now. So do you think 18,500 will turn out to be a good support? And also, is the 20,000 mark achievable in the near term?
Very good afternoon to you. Well, so all of us are hoping that we scale new highs. But for now, since yesterday, what we are observing that the steam for some time has gone on the higher levels, and market is definitely consolidating. So I would say it's a wait and watch scenario for this uptrend to continue. It's essential, rather very essential, for 18,480 on the spot basis to hold on. So as long as we are holding on, I would say market is consolidating, and the upside targets cannot be ruled out.
Okay, markets are consolidating. That's the word coming in. And also, Vishali, if you look at some banking names, and if you look at Nifty Bank, it has been the biggest outperformer, and strong Q4 results and continuous buying by foreign institution investors have actually helped Indian banking sector to outperform other sectors, I think, in the past few sessions. So are the valuations still attractive according to you? And your thoughts on this particular space, and any picks that you like from the banking space?
Well, so banking space, of course, it has outperformed, and we still think that it is likely to perform. But there is, of course, a choice of stocks. So I would look at Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, and SBI. These stocks do have good upside potential, and IndusInd has given a breakout, so and it's sustaining very well above that. So I would be positive on IndusInd Bank, SBI, and Axis. These three are my picks right now in the banking sector.
Okay, absolutely. Axis Bank, SBI, and IndusInd Bank, these are the picks that are coming in. And also, Vishali, if we talk about FMCG sector, this index has also crossed 51,000 important mark, and it has also been a steady wealth creator for its shareholders. So, your thoughts on FMCG space and any stocks that you like from this particular sector?
So actually, FMCG on the whole has really done very well. But well, I will focus on Hindustan Unilever. If I'm seeing the daily chart and the weekly chart, I mean, there has been good volume, good pickup, good trend. So I would say that HUL is quite a good bet because it's ready for a breakout. About right now, we are seeing a price of 2699, and if we see a move, decisive move past 2750, I think this should take off further on. And besides that, of course, ITC and all continues to show robust strength. So these are all the stocks to be bought at every day.
Okay, and if we talk about ITC only, Vishali, do you think the rally will sustain going forward as well? Because the
Well,
stock has,
I would,
yeah, please go ahead.
sorry. So I think the near-term rally, it should take a breather. But once again in decline because long-term trend looks very, very positive and we still have upside projections. So one should wait for a dip. But
Okay,
in
and any
terms,
levels that
look
you're
at
working with?
Dabur, sorry.
Any levels that you're working with respect to ITC?
Well, it is a wait because let us see whether is it still continuing with the up move to right now. It's at 441, so I think near-term support level would be 420. That
Okay,
would be
absolutely.
the I would get in. Yeah.
Okay, absolutely. And let's talk about MRF also, Vishali, because the stock hit its all-time high of 99,879 in the month of May. So, how is MRF looking on charts at this point in time, and can the share price hit 1 lakh mark, 1 lakh rupees mark soon, according to you?
So right now it is continuing to show strength. It is in the bullish. It has just gone into a consolidation since the time it did the all-time high of 1 lakh. And right now we are seeing consolidation. But since 2 days, and of course with crude going low, I think the stock is ready for a new round of momentum. But I would definitely not ask a fresh buy at these levels. But those who are holding should hold with a trailing stop loss because very likely we will see it retesting the price.
Okay, absolutely. And before we come to the top technical stock ideas, any sectors that you like at this point in time that look good, maybe on technical charts?
So I would say, uh, I think IT sector has scope to go upside. Um Auto sector continues to do well. So now I think, it would be a contrarian view, but metals have just not performed. So I would say that it's a matter of time because if I see the stocks individually, they are pretty much close to their support levels now. So I would say it's time to start accumulating metal stocks because that would be uh, technically favorable as far as the risk reward ratio is concerned.
Okay, and any sectors that you are bearish on or not looking good on technical charts?
No, not for now.
Okay, absolutely. Now let's come to the top five technical stock ideas. So, which are the stocks that you're betting on today?
So one would be, well, a safe bet would be Sun Pharma because in the pharma pack this has not participated and well placed. We are seeing the stock is like quite picked up the momentum. So I would say that 90 sorry, the target would be 1030 to 1050. This would be a positional trade. Likewise, I'm also focusing on Voltas. Voltas, after a long time, has given a breakout from the consolidation that it has been seeing. So Voltas also at 824 with a stop loss of 800. I would look for a target of 880. These are the two stocks for now. And in the mid cap, I'm looking at DCX system that is picking up momentum and it has a lot of scope of upside. So I would recommend a buy in DCX system. This is currently at 216. So with a stop loss of 200, I would look at a target of 240 to 245. And a momentum trade, I would look at Tata Motors, currently at around 530 levels. I would say a stop loss of 520 for a target of 550. And one more stock I need to tell you, that would be ABFRL, bouncing back from the oversold zone. So 195 stop loss, 220 target.
Okay, absolutely. So these are the five technical stock ideas that are coming in from Vishali. And on that wonderful note, thank you so much, Vishali, for taking the time out and sharing all these ideas with us here on Business Today television. So with that, let's wrap up this episode of Technical Gupshup. Don't forget to keep stop losses because they are very important if you are trading or if you are betting on any stock in the near term. So with that, let's wrap up and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. We are present on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. You can share your stock queries, stock feedback. So stay tuned for all the latest market updates and many thanks for watching.
Hello and welcome to Business Today Television. I'm Siddharth Zarabi and with me is Rana Barua, the Group CEO of Havas India. Thank you very much for being here at the BT studio, our multiverse studio on stands, online, on air as we call it, part of the India Today group. And with me, one of the finest minds in the Indian